Hi everyone, welcome to your channel. Bangalore, a fusion of history, nature and innovation. Bangalore or Bangalore, the capital of Karnataka, is a city where the ancient history, breathtaking nature and modern advancements blend seamlessly from majestic forts and places to lush gardens and futuristic skyscrapers. This city offers the visitor a journey through time on that reveals both the richness of its past and the brilliance of its future.
ಪ್ರಯಾಣಿಕರೇ ಗಮನಿಸಿ, ಮುಂದಿನ ನಿಲ್ದಾಣ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಮಹಾನಗರ.
The glorious past of Bangalore, from ancient rulers to the modern era. Bangalore was founded in the 6th century by Kampagoda I, a ruler of Vijayanagara Empire, who built a fortified city that laid that foundation for its future developments over the years. The city fell under the rule of Bijapur Sultanate, the Mughals, and later Hyder Ali and Tipu Sultan. In 1799, after the fall of Tipu Sultan in the Battle of Srirangapatna, Bangalore came under British control, becoming an important administrative and military hub in southern India. After India's independence in the 1947, Bangalore embarked on a path of industrial and technological growth, eventually earning its title as India's Silicon Valley, a global hub for innovation and information technology. The Green Paradise, why Bangalore is called the Garden City, which is a pleasant climate and the lush greenery. Bangalore is a paradise for nature lovers. Lal Bagh Botanical Garden, established in the 18th century by Hyder Ali and expanded by Tipu Sultan, is one of the finest botanical gardens in India. It features rare plant species, a magnificent glass house inspired by London's Crystal Palace and the Tranquil Lake. Cubbon Park, located in the heart of city, is a serene landscape with a towering trees, historic statues and the picturesque walking paths, making its favorite among joggers and photographers. Also Lake, it is a scenic islands and the botanic opportunities, provides a romantic and peaceful retreat from a city's hustle. Bangalore National Park, haven for the wildlife, the enthusiasts offer a chance to the city white tiger, elephants, leopards and the exotic birds in their natural habitat. Bangalore's historical treasures where the past still breathes amidst its technological transformation. The Bangalore proudly preserves its rich heritage. Bangalore Fort, built in the 6th century, was once a formidable stronghold of the Vijayanagara Empire and still stands as a testament to its glorious past. Tipu Sultan's palace, a masterpiece of Indian and Islamic architecture, features intricately carved wooden pillars, painted decaling, and elegant balconies. Once iconic, with a decision of one of India's greatest rulers. Bangalore Palace, inspired by the Windsor Castle in England, blends European grandeur with Indian elegance. It is a lavish halls, stained glass windows, and turreted towers. In sport, transports visitors to a royal era. The modern face of Bangalore, a city on of the brink of the future. Alongside its historical legacy, the Bangalore has emerged as a beacon of progress and modernity. MG Road and Indira are the vibrant hubs of urban life, filled with a luxury boutiques, a stylish cafe, and high-end restaurants, offering a glimpse into the Bangalore's dynamic nightlife. Electronic City, the heart of the India's tech revolution, is a home to global its giants like Infosys and Wipro, reinforcing Bangalore's status as a leading technological powerhouse. Rank Shankara, a prominent cultural center that keeps the traditional and the contemporary theater scene alive, making it is a must visit for art lovers. Bangalore's skyline, dotted with futuristic skyscrapers, paints a picture of a city that cherishes its past while embracing its future. Bangalore, a city that created an unforgettable experience with its ancient forts, dreamy the gardens, bustling modern streets, and cutting-edge technology. Bangalore is a city where every corner holds a story and every view is a masterpiece. If you are looking for a destination where you can explore a history, the fortress stroll through a serene botanical garden and witness the future unfold in a modern metropolis, Bangalore is the perfect place for you. Thank you for watching this video.